There.
If you need to hold on.
Why does the floor move?
It's rotating. It's rotating. See? It's
Remember that?
Daddy!
Yeah.
Daddy's scared.
Huh?
Daddy's scared.
It's like an airplane, huh?
Yeah. I ride this before,
Welcome
Daddy.
aboard the Palm Springs Aerial Tramway. New rotating tram cars providing you 360-degree views of the
I got scared. I got shocked at them. Daddy, wait, wait.
We'll travel over 2 and 1
You can see the animals there, right?
Well,
Go find it.
at the top, the
Find the deer.
temperature averages some 40 degrees cooler. Wild stage and the trees, flowers, and shrubs. We'll travel over 5 towers under there. The tallest is
Oh, look, on there.
27 feet, much the same as a 21-story building. It's the only tower accessible by road. All other towers and the mountain station had to be constructed by transporting workers and the materials to the various sites by helicopter. For the new
That's
rotation,
like in the
the improvements
helicopter.
included
That's
new
where we
cable
park.
drive system and the removal of 1,000 cubic yards of rock. We'll see
Where's
some
the other passenger?
Look at the moon, no?
No, no.
Wow.
There's a
The new
moon.
cabins are the first in the Western Hemisphere to rotate
Oh, no.
360 degrees during travel and are the largest of their type in the world. We're now high over Chino Canyon, once the summer home of the Agua Caliente band of Indians. Since there's many streams that flow year-round, the canyon has an abundance of
I'll
vegetation,
just spin around.
including sycamore, cottonwood, alder, black maple, and a great deal of wild grapevine.
We're spinning around.
Tram car is but one of many water boats.
This is cool.
During our
It looks like in a real helicopter. It looks like in a helicopter.
It's a little like making a motorcycle.
Can you see the moon, right?
Yeah, I can see
The
it.
only place.
What kind of moon is that?
Full moon.
As we approach Tower Number 2, top of the tower, you can see a 16 by 16 foot yellow helicopter
Saan
platform
punta dito? Kasi
used
tayo.
during construction and now used during the tram's maintenance period.
Oh my goodness.
What was that? That looks like a plane
You
crashing.
know now, already know we tram transition.
What?
Over the tower.
You having fun with Rion?
Yeah.
Happy birthday, my love.
Thank you. This is the best birthday in the world.
The original tramway was designed and built by the Von Roll Company of Bern, Switzerland. And all
Oh no,
the
I
parts of the cable
did
are
work
always
on
made.
this.
The towers are American. 27 miles of various sized cables to support movement and communication of the tramway.
Or keep on spinning around like a windmill.
They weigh
Daddy, we're keep
Yes,
on
yes,
spinning
Rion.
around like a
Each
windmill.
13,500 feet in length. Therefore, weighing
How high is this?
60
Oh, there's the other passenger. Daddy, there's another passenger.
There's another tram.
Downward cars traveling much
There's
faster.
another
Actually,
passenger.
Another
exactly the
tram.
same speed.
There's another passenger.
Because both cars are tied together by the hauling cables, which move with the car. You see, the drive system at the Valley Station is pulling that car down,
Oh no.
and in turn is pulling us up. The two cars are 34 feet apart. The Palm Springs Aerial Tramway was first conceived in the early 1930s by a young electrical engineer, the late Francis Trotter, who to this day is known as the father.
Oh no, not this again.
Was completed
Oh no, not this again.
After some
Not
26
this
construction
again.
and a cost of $8.5 million. All financed
Now I want to
sale
see it.
of the bond.
Oh no, I want to see it.
Tramway contracted with the Von Roll Tramway.
No, we're
Construction and installation of these new
See the
tramcars
mountain goat.
at a total cost of $12 million. Very beginning. No tax-free use
Whoa!
in the operation.
That was cute. Down the hill, I'm so much having so much.
It is between towers 3 and 4 that we reach the longest span of our journey. The cable stretches more than half a mile. Off to the right.
It's like a tail, there's like a
Car
car.
is one of the most dramatic sights of our entire trip. The majestic spire,
I see the whole city.
visible
And I see the windmill that we saw. I see the
as we
windmill.
continue our journey. The light zone changes become more obvious.
How come we
We
didn't see
a
the
variety of
moon?
pine trees, including pinyon, big cone, lodgepole,
You're gonna ride again.
natural
This is the last
vegetation, high country, deer, mountain lion, fox, bobcat, raccoon,
We're going so
and elephant.
far.
See that thing? It's like a horseshoe.
I think we're gonna fall down at this. How many
Don't say
passengers?
that, Ryan. She's gonna be my last one.
It's fun, Kuya. You want your birthday here too?
The tallest of the five is tower number 4, 57 feet tall, located at an elevation of 7,576 feet above sea level.
Generator.
There, the hill is
We keep on spinning around.
So that's the top.